Well, as the time ticks on into the early hours of Saturday morning, we on BBC One are heading for home. If you happen to be burning the midnight oil, then let me recommend the company of BBC Radio. Andy Peebles has a little over 15 minutes to run on Radio 1 with his Soul Train, whilst on Radio 2, Andrew Lane continues through the wee small hours on his night ride, keeping you up to date with events in the news every hour. And to complete the picture, the BBC World Service provides bulletins throughout the night on the Radio 4 longwave frequency. Tomorrow morning we'll be back bright and early with a brand new look to BBC One and also BBC Two as our new channel symbols get their very first airing. And so as we say goodnight for this evening, we'll leave you with our very last look at the BBC One globe. Good night.